What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Mr. Fragrance, and today's video we're going to talk about Parfums de Marly, and I'm going to show you everything that's in this box. Hope you enjoy. Parfums de Marly, Pegasus. Before we start this video, I'd like to give a full disclaimer. I am not paid by Parfums de Marly at all. I bought this bottle by myself when I went to the Parfums de Marly boutique a couple weeks ago in New York City, and I met Jeremy Fragrance and I met the director / manager of Parfums de Marly. It was an amazing event. Had a great time. If you guys want to know more about that event, I have a video link below with me and Jeremy. You can click on that and watch that after this one. So Parfums de Marly, Pegasus. You can pick this up there for about $200 for 75 ml, or you can get 100 ml for about $290. If you want to save some money, you can pick it up at your discounters at fragrancex.com, which I'll leave a link below description, and fragrancenet.com. You can pick it up for roughly about $160 to $165 for this 75 ml bottle. Pegasus. I don't have anything really bad to say about it. My two cons I'll get to right now since we're at it is the price is kind of expensive, but I got 20% off when I went to the Parfums de Marly, their meet and greet they had there with Jeremy Fragrance, so it wasn't too bad. I got it for about 100 and something bucks, so it wasn't bad. If you're into niche fragrances, you should give this a shot. If you never had a niche fragrance, you should definitely give this a shot as a first niche fragrance. There are a lot of niche fragrances you should try out. If you're looking for compliment factors, it's right here. I have to say, I got 3 compliments wearing this fragrance with the matter of less than 10 minutes when I went to my girlfriend's. They had like a little get together for the summertime, and it was amazing. So, and I wore this like in the cool like summer night. It was like around 7, 8 o'clock at night, and they were like, "Oh, you smell amazing. What is that?" And they asked what it was, and I told them it was Pegasus. So it is amazing. It smells great. I'm going to break down some of the notes for you guys so you guys know what it's about. So Pegasus right here, you have vanilla, you have almond, you have jasmine. You have a lot of notes, and I'm going to put them in the left-hand corner and the right-hand corner so you can get all the notes. There's a lot of notes, but man, this is just amazing. Just, if you like vanilla and almond, you're definitely going to like this fragrance here. Now, before I get into more of the information, here's the box. Here's the back of the box. Information from the Marly. The other side of the box, here's the bottom. Information. Now I'm going to show you the bottle right here. Get out my pocket. This bottle here is Pegasus, Parfums de Marly. Cap has 1743. Big heavy bottle here. Parfums de Marly on the bottom. Paris. Back here I have Jeremy Fragrance sign it, which is pretty cool. And had a director of Parfums de Marly manager sign it. Pretty cool. I really enjoyed that. And then we're going to talk about the sprayer is amazing. This fragrance opens up just you can smell the vanilla and the almonds right off the bat. It's just so fantastic, so gorgeous, so sweet. It's just, I haven't found one female or male that dislikes this fragrance. I enjoy it a lot, and this is my first niche fragrance buying, and I thought I would never buy a niche fragrance because they're so expensive money-wise. I buy designer fragrances, yes, they're like 100 bucks, 80 bucks. But we're talking about $200 to $300 for a fragrance. It's kind of hitting the bell right there, just for a lot of people. But how can I put this? If you want to try a niche fragrance, this is a nice fragrance. Parfums de Marly. There are a lot of niche fragrances that are a lot cheaper you can try too. If you want compliments, straight compliments, Pegasus. If you want a fragrance that smells like vanilla and almonds, Pegasus. I'm just giving you recommendations for this fragrance here. You can do what you want to do. If you want a different type of niche fragrance, or you know some other ones that are better, that's awesome. This is just my quick review on Pegasus. I enjoyed it a lot. Projection wise, I get between 3 and 4 hours of very strong projection. Can't go wrong with that. Longevity, I get about 8+ hours. There's days I went about 12 hours. I went a whole day wearing this fragrance, and it's amazing. I Highly recommend this for somebody that wants to get one fragrance to wear in the fall and them cold winter months, or the real cool summer nights where it's like really, really cold and you can kind of get away with wearing this, but not in the hot weather. I don't suggest that. If you like niche fragrance, you should give this one a try. If you never had niche fragrance, you should give this one a try. It's everything that you would want in a fragrance, niche-wise, if you want to try it. This is my first niche fragrance, so I'm very happy about it. I was hesitant at first, but I really enjoy it. So I'd like to appreciate you guys watching my video. If you have any more information you want to know about Pegasus, please let me know. If not, thanks for watching my video. Like this video, share the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already so you can enter in my new giveaway coming up real soon. Thank you. Peace.